Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth. According to what they say, these products are designed to support people dealing with hair thinning or hair loss. When you open the official Alpha Infuse website, you will find a customer section where they show different pictures of people who appear to be before and after results. At first glance, these pictures look like convincing customer stories. They are meant to show how well the product works and to build trust for someone who is thinking about buying. But here is where a major issue comes up. If you look carefully and then go to another website called Liftera, you will notice that the exact same customer photos are used there too. This is a big red flag because it means the photos are not original to Alpha Infuse. Instead, they are reused images, which makes the so-called customer reviews on their own site not very reliable. Genuine companies usually show their own verified customer images and stories. Now, if we leave the website and check what people are saying on other platforms, the picture becomes a little different. On Trustpilot, Alpha Infuse has many reviews. Most of them are positive, and many are rated with 5 stars. While not every review is about hair loss, most of them do focus on the results customers are seeing. This shows that even though the official site does not have real customer reviews, the product itself is still being received well by actual buyers. Thanks for watching.